Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that's not just important but essential for anyone running a website or an online business, SEO, or search engine optimization. Now, if you've been around the digital block, you know that SEO is the magic sauce that can make or break your online presence. But with so much information out there, it can be tough to know where to start or how to stay updated with the ever-changing rules. That's where the SEO Training Kit comes in. And today, I'm going to give you my honest thoughts on it. So, I recently got my hands on the SEO Training Kit, and let me tell you, it's a comprehensive package. Whether you're a newbie or someone with a bit of experience, this kit is designed to guide you through the entire search engine optimization process step by step. What I love about it is that it doesn't assume you know everything, but also doesn't dumb things down too much. It strikes a great balance, making it accessible but also detailed enough to give you real, actionable insights. The first thing that caught my eye was the training videos. There are 5 HD step-by-step training videos that break down everything you need to know. These aren't just surface-level tips, they go deep into what really matters, like how to optimize your site for search engines, which is crucial if you want to rank higher on Google. The videos are well-produced, clear, and to the point, which is a big plus for me. I'm someone who learns best visually, so having these videos was incredibly helpful. They cover everything from keyword research to on-page and off-page SEO, and even technical SEO, which can be a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with it. Next up is the professionally written training guide. Now, I know some of you might prefer reading over watching videos, and this guide is perfect for that. It's comprehensive and well-organized, making it easy to follow along. What I appreciated most was how it broke down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand language. This is great for anyone who might feel overwhelmed by the technical jargon often associated with search engine optimization. The package also includes chapter images, a cheat sheet, a mind map, and a top resource report. These are fantastic for reinforcing what you've learned and for quick reference. I found the cheat sheet particularly useful when I needed to quickly recall a specific strategy or concept. The mind map, on the other hand, gives you a visual overview of the entire SEO process, which helps in understanding how everything fits together. One of the standout features of the SEO Training Kit is the option to purchase it with private label rights. This means you can rebrand the entire kit, sell it under your own name, and keep 100% of the profits. For anyone in digital marketing or even those looking to start a side hustle, this is a goldmine. The kit even includes a high-converting sales copy, a customer sales video, professionally designed graphics, animated banners, expert email templates, a professional mini-site, and legal pages. These are all the tools you need to start selling the kit as your own product, which is something you don't see offered very often. But wait, there's more. The PLR option also comes with some killer bonuses. You get a video explainer asset, an SEO split testing video series, a Google AdSense for blog monetization guide, a WP SEO track plugin, and access to a live lead generation workshop. These bonuses alone add so much value to the package and give you additional tools to boost your SEO efforts or enhance your product if you decide to resell it. Now let's talk about the price. For a limited time, you can get the entire SEO Training Kit at a ridiculously low price, and yes, that includes the PLR option. Considering the amount of content and resources you're getting, this is a steal. Whether you're looking to boost your own site's rankings or want to start a profitable side hustle, this kit provides everything you need at a fraction of what it would cost to create something like this from scratch. To wrap things up, the SEO Training Kit is one of the most comprehensive and accessible SEO resources I've come across. It's perfect for anyone serious about mastering search engine optimization, whether for personal use or as a business opportunity. If you're tired of struggling to get traffic or want to improve your site's visibility, this kit is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for sticking around and listening to my review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. As always, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. See you in the next video.